In the heart of Windermere, Florida, located in luxurious Bellaria, welcome to Casa Amare. This courtyard-style home was built by Castleworks, a master custom builder who brought a timeless modern design to this property. This home has these pocket sliding doors that make the inside seamlessly flow to the outside. And I love these floors. They're sleek, travertine stone floors, and you see these custom touches all throughout this home. To the right, we have a beautiful formal dining room with custom light fixtures and woven wood details. And then right next door, we have a formal living room with a wood and stainless steel tray ceiling. And then you have this striking backdrop. It's a basket weave wood paneled wall. Now this kitchen is a chef's dream. In here you've got top of the line appliances, solid wood cabinetry, a hidden pantry, and an extended kitchen island. It's obvious that the quality is in the details in here. Just past the kitchen, you have an open view of your courtyard-style pool and the family room that owns this remarkable centerpiece, a custom wood and stainless steel gas fireplace. I can't wait to show you the outside. Out here we have a beautiful heated pool with a cascading fountain, a travertine patio, an outdoor fireplace, and an oversized summer kitchen. Heading right into the master suite, you have your own separate sitting room, a wood panel accent wall, exceptional walk-in closets, and a spa-like bath. And then finally the backyard. You're on almost an acre of land, so there's plenty of room to put in a sports court, but this backyard was built to entertain. And even in the heat of the summer, you've got these shaded trees that are going to make outside that much more comfortable. Minutes away from top area attractions, A-rated schools, and Winter Garden Village, enjoy the value of luxury and the comforts of convenience here at Casa Amare.